people mga Ilocos. Nakalang mo sa group of Ibulot people and are closely related to Ibilab. Ibilab is also cultural group in Nueva Vizcaya. Ay, Nueva? Oo. The second one is Bugalot. Bugalot sir. We call the Sarabian language Bugalot. From the root word Kalot, meaning interweave or interwoven. In Tagalog, pinagpagpitan.
Nangingibago lang ako eh. Baka nananaginip lang ako.
The population of Bugalot is 18,000 according to the 2022 census. And the Bugalot, they also speak Tagalog and Ilocano. Next.